Madami na lawmakers natin naglalabasan ng mga
Yeah.
kanya-kanyang salin, no? Kayo po, Kong, naglabas na po kayo ng salin?
Hindi pa tayo naglabas ng SALN. We are waiting for the SALN policy of the House. No? I think very important po talaga na as an institution, syempre, I head the committee and we are part of the House leadership na talaga meron ng sarili pong proseso po ng House disclosures. No? Kasi ayaw natin maging performative lang yung
Yeah.
paglalabas ng SALN tsaka paisa-isa. So, ibig sabihin, talagang, kasi pwede mangyari, sige, naglabas ako ng SALN, pero did actually change House policy, congressional policy relating to SALNs? Baka hindi ba? So, we are intent on participating with yung pong SALN committee policy proposals, no? So, I think kinonstitute na po ni Speaker Bogie D po ito.
Yeah.
But he himself released his SALN yesterday, di ba?
Yeah, kasi I think in the very first place, he made the commitment to actually release the SALN. No? So ako, I've been asked about it. Sabi ko, I think as soon as the House policy is in place, we will release it.
Sa
to the
policy
public.
ba, Kong, will you have something similar to that of yung kay Ombudsman? There's certain info in the SALN that cannot be released kasi maapektuhan din yung privacy ng isang individual. Like, nakalista yung mga property addresses, di ba? Yung specific details on finances. More on general details lang i-release.
Tama ho yun. So, as a general policy, there should be disclosure but respecting data privacy rights. No? So, ibig sabihin, dapat po ma-redact yung pong mga identifiers, personal identifiers, particularly mga addresses ng mga bahay, mga lote, yung pong mga pag-aari, no? Ng mga kongresista at senador. Pero I think very important to, at yan naman yung pinaka-importante makita, yung actual net worth ng mga kongresista para magkaroon po tayo ng baseline determination ng mga kayamanan